At para naman sa ating pabawang pampag-good night, small wins or big wins, lahat po yan ay worth celebrating ngayong taon.
Na para bang one last hug sa 2025. Pinlex ng ilan ang kanilang mga naabot this year. Ang nauusong achievement cake, panoorin sa report na ito.
Saan ka thankful this 2025? May revelation dyan si volleyball star Alisa Valdez.
I'm grateful for being physically healthy and I'm grateful for someone this year.
At ang vlogger pharmacist na si Archie.
Hi, my name is Archie, and this 2025, I was able to invest on a big property, so abangan niyo lang sa vlogs ko.
Yan ang trending na achievement cake. Feel free to share na mga na-achieve mo this year from Big Wins.
This year, I can buy anything with my own money.
Nakalipat na ako sa bagong gawang bahay at nakabili ng pangalawang car.
I was finally brave enough to try solo traveling this year. Yay!
To simple wins.
I learned to manage my emotions better. And I'm grateful for surviving this 2025 alive. And for achieving small
Paano naman daw pag walang na-achieve?
Gagawin ko sana yung trending ngayon na achievement cake. Huwag na lang pala. Kakainin ko na lang to. Wala pa naman ako na-achieve.
Okay lang yan. Sabi nga nila, hindi naman karera ang ating buhay.
This year, I realized that life is not a race. What matters is you showed up.
Ikaw, kapatid, saan ka thankful this year? If wala kang maisip, ang mahalaga, we survived 2025. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Laila Chicadora, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Johnny Alipon po, maging updated sa latest entertainment at lifestyle. Huwag magpahuli, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.